Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Miguel back again with another video, and welcome to the MacBook Air 15-inch review. So the MacBook Air 15-inch is exactly what you think it is. It's just a MacBook Air with now a bigger size, 15-inch, which is probably the most popular size when people are looking to buy a laptop. Now the MacBook Air became Apple's most important laptop because obviously it's the most affordable option, and if you want to get into the Apple ecosystem, or this is the first time that you're looking to buy an Apple laptop, then this is the option to go. And the MacBook Air recently just came in 13 inches, and that was the most popular version. It's actually the same version that I'm actually using. I use this as a daily driver. I have been using this for the past 2 years. Then Apple introduced the 14-inch version of the MacBook Air, and that quickly became the most popular selling MacBook of all time. And Apple realizing the trend where people want bigger things, and that's just the case of it. That's why you see a Plus option and a Max option when you go and buy an iPhone 14. And that's also the reason why you see a trend of SUVs becoming the best-selling type of vehicle platform when it comes to cars. So they did the obvious thing and went ahead and made the same exact laptop as the 14-inch, but just with a 15-inch version now. And the MacBook Air 15-inch version is the exact same as the 14-inch version. It's made on the exact same platform. It has the exact same chip, which is the M2 chip. And we all know by this time what the M2 chip is, so I'm not really going to go into the specifics of it. But this review is going to mostly be focused on the size, because that's exactly what the 15-inch version is. It's the exact same laptop, but just with the bigger size, so it can accommodate those masses or those people that wanted a bigger laptop. Now let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. So it looks like we have the Starlight color, which is the new color this time. We have 8 gigs of unified memory. We have 256 gigs of internal SSD storage, and this comes with the M2 chip. We have the laptop right in front of us, which comes in the new Starlight color. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the side while we discuss the rest of the details. We have the USB-C to MagSafe cable over here, and then we have the booklet, which contains paperwork, some stickers, and we also have, I believe, a 35-watt charger, which actually comes with 2 USB-C ports in case you want to charge something else as well. So the laptop is again the exact same design. There's not really a lot of changes. It still has a pretty compact, well, not a compact body, but it is still lightweight at just 1.5 kilograms. And this is just slightly heavier than the 14-inch version. It also is still 11.5 millimeters thin, which makes it incredibly thin. So it's really easy to carry around. Now I should mention that even though this is a 15-inch laptop, it's classified as a 15-inch laptop, but diagonally this is actually 15.3 inches. And if you're wondering what else is different about the 15-inch laptop, well, really not a lot, because we get the exact same keyboard as we get on the 14-inch version. Actually, the size is also still the same, but we do get a bigger trackpad to obviously accommodate the bigger body. And you can see that we don't have any speakers grills here, which makes it look a little bit weird. But this time, as the 14-inch version had the speakers in the hinge, we also get the same speakers on the 15-inch version too. There is one change, however, because of a bigger body. We do now have a second set of speakers, which is going to make the 15-inch version a little bit louder and have a little bit of a bass upgrade. It's not really a game changer, but you do notice the louder sound and the deeper bass. Talking about other similar things that we get on the 15-inch version, so we still have the same specs, same pixel density, same 500 nit of brightness display, liquid retina displays, which is the exact same as we get on the 14-inch version. So then you ask yourself, why do we have a 15-inch version? The actual benefit is on the price side of things, because if you were to walk to an Apple store before the 15-inch version was out and you asked for a 15-inch version, they would direct you to the MacBook Pro for the 16-inch version of the MacBook Pro, which starts at $2,500. Now, if you convert that into dirhams, that's nearly 10,000 dirhams. So that's really a high price only to get a bigger display. So now, because of this, you now have the option of getting a 15-inch display at a lower price. And I'll discuss the price in a little bit. Also, because of the bigger body, you now get a bigger battery. But you have to keep in mind that the bigger display and the bigger battery is going to cancel each other out. So at the end of the day, you're still going to get great battery life, but the battery life is kind of still going to be around 19-20 hours, which is the exact same as you currently get on the 14-inch version. If we look at the rest of the laptop, design-wise, it's still the same. You get the audio jack over here, you get the MagSafe charger, and you still get 2 ports. That's one of the things that I would say I wish Apple did better. I wish that we could have seen at least 2 more ports, or at least 1 more port added over here, or at least a USB port added. Now, coming down to the price, which is the biggest benefit of buying the 15-inch version, if you are in the market for a 15-inch version, the base model which we have here, which has 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage, this starts at 5,500 dirhams. So at $1,300, this is just 900 dirhams more than the 14-inch version. So when it comes to the cost, yes, this is one of the best laptops that you can buy. If you are in the market for one, looking for a 15-inch version, this is the laptop to buy. And especially if you are trying to get into the Apple ecosystem, or this is the first time that you're using an Apple OS system, and if you want to get into that, then yeah, I would highly recommend this. I firmly believe that this will very quickly become the best-selling MacBook of all time. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Again, this was a review where we were going to discuss mostly the size of it. We're not really focusing on a lot of on the other aspects. So this video was to let you guys know whether buying a 15-inch version is actually beneficial, if it really provides you any real-world benefits, and I think it really does. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Let me know if you would actually consider buying the 15-inch version if you are in the market looking for one. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.